Welcome back to the channel. Join me today as I put my travel skills to the test and have you try out some of these handy airport hacks that have worked for me and others. I promise you that it will make traveling easy and stress-free. Number 10 on the list is one of the best kept secrets, so make sure you stay until the end. Take the stress out of your next trip with these airport hacks, whether it is going through airport security or boarding the plane. Now, let's get started. Download airport maps to plan the best layover. Layover? Flight delay? The Gate Guru app will help you find anything you need in the airport, whether it's a last-minute snack or a tip-off on where you can nab free and safe Wi-Fi or find comfy lounge seats. With Gate Guru, you can scroll through lists of amenities by airport, plan out where you want to go, or find the shortest path between terminals when you are crunched for time when making a connection. Don't panic if your ID is lost. According to the TSA website, in the event you arrive at the airport without valid identification, because it is lost or at home, you may still be allowed to fly. The TSA officer may ask you to complete an identity verification process, which includes collecting information such as your name, current address, and other personal information to confirm your identity. If your identity is confirmed, you will be allowed to enter the screening checkpoint. You will be subject to additional screening to include a pat-down and screening of carry-on property. Now, if you're flying internationally and you lost your passport, that's a very different story. Snap a photo of your parking spot. If you're using airport parking, don't rely on your memory to recall where you parked. Take a photo of the sign closest to your parking spot so you can scroll back on your phone and refresh your memory when you return from your trip. Use the check-in line closest to business travel. On busy travel days, check-in counter lines can add stress. Some frequent flyers believe in getting in the check-in line that is closest to the line exclusively reserved for first class and business travelers. If there are multiple security lines, I always scope out the crowd for length but also for who's in it. In the movie Up in the Air, George Clooney's character Ryan Bingham hilariously says, "Never get behind people traveling with infants. I've never seen a stroller collapse in less than 20 minutes. I am not throwing shade or being funny because I will get old one day, but older people are worse. Their bodies are littered with hidden metal, and that is something that can hold up the TSA line." Sneak a few extra items in a shopping bag. With checked baggage fees standard on many flights, travelers are trying to bring more stuff than ever onto the plane. If your carry-on and personal item are full to bursting, one travel hack is to grab a shopping bag from one of the airport shops. Put your extra items in the airport shopping bag and sneak them by the gate agents, who will think you've got last-minute souvenirs or snacks. Book the best seats with Seat Guru. Do you always seem to get the seats at the back of the plane or right over the wing? Use Seat Guru to find out what are the best seats on the plane. If you're a window seat flyer headed somewhere with great views, the app can help you determine which side of the plane will give you the best views. It will also show you the seats with a touch more legroom or power outlets, which can be an invaluable asset for students. Pick the security line with the fewest agents. While there's no way to predict which security line will be the fastest with 100% accuracy, lines with fewer TSA agents at the X-ray screen are often quicker. That's because multiple TSA agents watching your baggage go by frequently means one of them is being trained, making it more likely they'll stop bags or scrutinize each one closely and slowly as it goes by. Download the TSA app. One resource that even frequent travelers don't realize is available right at their fingertips is the Transportation Security Administration, or TSA. They have a handy free app for both Android and iOS that allows travelers to check how busy the airport is likely to be on your specific day and time of travel based on historical data. They also provide other important information like how to prepare for and get through the security checkpoint quickly, as well as delay information and current weather conditions at your favorite airports nationwide. How to bring bottled water through security. No one wants to spend $6 on a bottle of water or drink the nasty tasting water from the dirty airport fountain. I often see people trying to sneak bottles of water through security all the time, but they're easy to spot on the X-ray machine, so you're not going to get away with it. But there is one hack that lets you bring full bottles of water through the security checkpoint. They have to be fully frozen. You might also want to travel with a collapsible water bottle like this one that's easy to pack and can be filled up on the other side after you have passed through security. And now for the best kept secret, which is number 10 on our list. You can bring a secret third carry-on. Want to know how? Well, first, here is a full disclosure. Scotte Vest used to be one of my sponsors, and they still pay me a small referral fee, but I recommend their products because I truly believe in them. My favorite thing about Scotte Vest is that a jacket or vest acts like a third carry-on, which is key when you have too much stuff, or if your airline weighs your carry-on bags and you're over the limit by a few pounds. Most Scotte Vest jackets have more than 20 pockets, so you can put everything from your laptop to your phone inside. See the diagram of how it looks overall, so you can have an idea of how much carry space it has. I also love it because you can secure your money and passport, so it acts like a money belt when traveling in dicey areas. They have jackets for both men and women. The men's jacket has 26 pockets and the women's has 24 pockets. If you are interested, just click the links in the description to purchase. Choose an overnight flight. A red-eye flight might not give you the best night's sleep, but it will get you through the airport faster. Airports are usually considerably less crowded at night, so booking a flight after 10 p.m. is likely to help you spend less time online and get to your gate faster. Weigh heavy bags at home. If you're embarking on a lengthy journey and traveling with some seriously heavy luggage, you can save some time at the airport by weighing your bags in advance. Make sure none of your bags exceed your airline's weight limits for checked luggage to ensure you're not left scrambling to repack all of your bags when you arrive at the airport. Research the airport's layout in advance. Every airport is different. It's a good idea to learn the labyrinthine layout of the airport you're departing from in advance to identify the best route to your gate. You can shave valuable seconds off of your journey through the airport by picking the right security line and memorizing the route you plan to take ahead of time. Not only that, but many airports have out-of-the-way security lines that few travelers know about. For instance, some airports let passengers check in through the airport hotel, while others simply have lesser-used security stations. Pack layers. Pack carry-on bags in layers. Any item you'll need to remove during check-in and security should be easily accessible. Keep your boarding pass and identification in a jacket pocket or outer pocket of your bag, and keep them together since you'll be using them at the same time. And make sure your laptop and bag of liquids are easy to remove from your carry-on too. Items you'll need while you wait for your flight or when you're on the plane should also be easy to reach, while items you won't use until you land can be buried at the bottom of your bag. Snag a bag at the duty-free shop. This trick will save you if you pick too many things during your vacation and now they don't fit your suitcase. No need to pay for extra luggage, just visit a duty-free shop and get a bag there. Put all of your things in the bag and you will look like you did some shopping before getting on the plane. In most cases, the airline staff doesn't check duty-free bags. Dress for a Netflix and chill night. When I was a kid, my mom always had us dress nicely for flights. But that was when flights were on time and airlines seemed to actually care about their passengers' comfort. This is 2024 now, and all that is out the window. You are going to sit on a plane for hours, so when choosing between style and comfort, choose the latter and wear sensible clothes. High heels are not an option for an airport. Also, remember about the metal detector and don't put too much jewelry on. Free up space on your phone. So many people get to their vacation and find out their phone is full and they have to delete pics as they are taking them. Wouldn't it be great if you could take a bunch of photos and videos on your vacation without having to delete as you go? Why not use the time while you are waiting at the airport or when you are on the plane to go through and delete a bunch of photos? Ask for hand scan if you have health problems. If you have implants or any other physical conditions, you can always ask for a hand scan instead of a magnetic scanner. The airport representatives will assist you. Drink this instead of alcohol. I think we all know that onboard snacks are expensive. Snacks like nuts or granola bars are a great go-to food to fill us up on flights. But besides saving money on food, save money by not drinking booze. Ginger ale is a great option to get on a flight as it is great for settling the stomach. I either choose that or tomato juice as it is high in vitamins. Weigh your things so you don't go over the weight limit at the airport. Not only do you need to know the number of items allowed, but also the weight of your bags. Repacking is the worst thing you can do at airport check-in. Airports accept bags of particular size and weight. Again, make sure that your stuff matches the airline rules. I hope these airport hacks help make your travels much smoother and less of a hassle. Let me know in the comments if you have any additional travel hacks to share. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. And check out the links mentioned in the description. Hope to see you next time, but until then, safe travels.